everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I thought I can't wait until December. I'm going to open the rest of this, so let's get into it. In a previous video I opened boxes 1 to 5. I'll link that up somewhere so that you can catch that if you haven't seen it already. This, just to recap, this is the ASOS Face and Body Advent Calendar. So I'll insert some pictures of what I've unwrapped already. So I'll just move all of those to one side. Okay, so we're on to number 6. So let's have a look and see what we've got in number 6. Actually, if I put the box here, so again, I've got no idea. Well, I've got a rough idea of what's in it, but not what's in each numbered box. Oh, so I've got some of this called, I don't know how you pronounce it, Cordially. Vino Perfect Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting. And you get 10 ml. So I think this is one of those ones where a little bit goes a long way. So that's the consistency, it's sort of milky. Okay, on to number 7 if I can find it. And that's in this one. I couldn't see it because it's sort of camouflaged. Sorry about the noise from Lola, she's sort of scrabbling around in the background. I think she's in season at the moment, so she's a bit unsettled. Ooh, I need some of this actually. It's Olaplex number 3, repairs and strengthens all hair types. It's 30 ml, so it's not I wouldn't say it's a full-size product. Yeah, my hair's gone really dry, and I did trim sort of the last inch or so of it the other day, and then it ended up cut a chunk out of my thumb in the process because I was doing it like that. But yeah, this will come in very handy. And look at what you do with it. Apply on damp towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair. 8 is this tall one. I'm not really into Revolution. I don't know, I just sort of I have got some Revolution things, but whenever I go into places like Superdrug, or not so much Boots, but every Superdrug I go in, it's just like there's just loads and loads and loads of different things. And they're always bringing new stuff out, and I don't know. Anyway, that's a polisher. And there is 100 ml in there. That's probably a full-size one. So that was 8. Let's look for number 9. You can see 10, but I want to do it in order. Oh, number 9, where are you? Oh, right in front of me. So that's this one. And we've got some Clinique cleansing balm. And there is 15 ml in there. I'm not sure if that is a full size or not, because Clinique isn't really a brand that I buy a lot of, so I'm not really familiar with the sizes and stuff like that. So that was 9, 10. Oh, a box in a box. Oh, so it's some The Ordinary. And there is 30 ml in there. I don't know how you say it, squalane. And it's 100% squalene. A lightweight plant-derived solution to support healthy hydration. Apply a few drops daily or as needed to entire face, ideally after water-based treatments. Fragrance-free. 11. I'm confused. Oh, I was thinking it was an empty box then, but there's some lashes. And those are Prima Dainty Professional. And there's no adhesive included with them. Right, on to 12. Ooh. So it's another one of these. I've got a few of these now. I've got one here sort of on the go that I'm putting on just before bedtime. So yeah, it's one of those small sizes again. Yeah, and a little tiny bit goes a long way. 13. Another one of this size. Rattling around. Oh, it is one of these. It's by Psychic Sisters, and it's one of these that you... Oh, that feels quite nice, isn't it, to sort of drain your lymphatic system or something like that. Could do with it for here. Very nice. I need to find 14. This is another sort of slim one. It's a pencil of some sort. Let's see what it is. It's a sleek makeup 12-hour wear kohl eyeliner. And obviously it's in black. The colour's called Blackmail. 15. It's a bigger one. It's a tube of something. Oh, what's this? Oh, another. My hair's going to get a right treat. We Are Paradox Repair 3-in-1 Conditioner. I don't know, I've not heard of this, but I'm going to give it a try. There is 30 ml in there, and it's vegan, cruelty free. I think it's one of those ones that you can leave in. Directions: after shampooing, work into wet hair and rinse. Apply to towel dried hair as a leave-in balm conditioner or on dry hair as a styling balm. Right, on to 16. Oh, this is quite a big one. There we are, there's 16. Oh, it's falling out at the bottom. Oh, this works. Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. There is 100 ml in there. So I'm suspecting that that is a full-size product. Used nightly after bathing and before bedtime to to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. 17. Oh, it's a bit of a oh, this will come in handy. It's an invisible Dazzle Me. You dazzle me. So it's one of those that don't pull on the hair. I know that I'm finding that when I do tie my hair up, after a while I start getting hair sore and getting headaches. So maybe this is the way to go for hair ties. Very nice. 18. I'm suspecting this is face mask or something like that, and the sort of size of it and the feel of it. Oh, it is. It's a sheet mask with Aqua Axle and Quick Soothing Complex. Infuses skin with soothing moisture and conditions the skin. So it's a single use, there's just one deep hydration sheet. 19. Oh, another pencil. This time we have got a definer liner, a gel eyeliner with sharpener, and I'm assuming that's the colour here. I don't know how you pronounce this. Is it Ciate? Ciate? I don't know. But it's C-I-A-T-E. Almost there. 19, so I'm looking for 20. Oh! Yeah, it's falling out. I don't want to spoil the surprise. So this is 20, which I think is the biggest box of all. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, very nice. It's an Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner. And there's 200 ml in there, so I would say that that's definitely a full-sized. And this calming facial toner effectively tones the skin without the use of alcohol. Formulated with apricot extract, saponaria leaf and saponins, helps to soothe and harmonise the skin, leaving a fresh and radiant complexion. Very impressed with that. 21. Oh, and we have a MAC lipstick. And it is in the colour Whirl. I think it's showing up a bit lighter on the screen. It looks like it's sort of like a reddy brown colour. And the size is 3 grams. So I'm not sure whether that's full size or not, but I'll find out and put it on screen. 22. This is tall one. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh, we have got nail and cuticle oil in Rose Kiss. And there is, oh, it's by the company Mini Macaron. So this is a nail file, obviously. I was expecting something a bit taller with it being such a big box, but 23. What have we got here? Oh, iconic, looks like an eye palette. You know what I'm like for my eye palettes. I've told myself that I'm not buying any more now before Christmas. Oh, this is very nice, my sort of colours. Sort of neutral browny colours. So we've got Conquer, Rags to Riches, Bellini and Wonderland. Very nice. Very happy with that. And last one now. I've spotted what it is. And we have got small pot of Charlotte's Magic Cream. There's 7 ml in there, so I'd say that's a deluxe sample, because I've got the travel sized one and I think that's 15 ml. So yeah, this is definitely either a sample or a deluxe sample. And there we have it. That's everything that was in the ASOS advent calendar. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to do the old, and when you've done that, turn on the notification. I'd love to have you subscribed and part of the family, and I will see you very soon in another video. So bye for now. Bye.